Sensei Hartley here. So I noticed that a lot of you guys are having a bit of a trouble with tying your belt. So I wanted to go over a story that I learned when I was at your guys' ranks. So first things first, gotta grab my belt. And how I'm gonna do this is, I'm gonna look at it as a snake. Now there's a head of the snake, and there's a tail of the snake. We never want the head of the snake near us because it might bite you. So what we're gonna do is we're actually gonna take the head of the snake and we're gonna toss it. And I'm gonna grab it by the tail. Now I'm gonna put the tail on my left side. And I'm going to place it right as tight as I can there. Now I'm gonna go around my body 2 times. So 1 and 2. Now if you can't find the tail, you kind of shimmy the belt over and you pull the tail out until you get a nice and even rabbit ears. So from here, I'm gonna take the head of the snake and the snake's gonna go underneath the mountain. That means underneath both of the belts. And I'm going to tighten it just a little bit. From here, the snake goes over the hill, through this hole, and you're gonna grab both sides of the snake and you're going to choke the snake. And then once you guys are done choking with the snake, you're gonna always make sure that your logo matches with your patch. And that's how you can always tell if that is the correct way to tie your belt.